house is goddamn big, bro. This shit hard, bro. This shit motivated nigga for real, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully one day young nigga can own a crib like that. Look at that shit, bro. On God, straight motivation, bro. Anything is possible in this fucking world. You heard me? And that's coming from me, bro. You know what I'm saying? Look at that shit, bro. Big ass crazy and shit, you feel me? These presidential cribs type shit. These some mansions and shit. These cribs a different feeling for real, bro. Driving by these cribs make you feel some type of way, bro. It motivates you, you know what I'm saying? It does something to your soul, like, damn, bro. So you gotta keep pushing, gotta keep going, gotta keep grinding, bro. But everything will fall in your place. You know what I'm saying? You gotta believe in your own self, and you gotta do what you always wanted to do. Not what everybody, not what your mama, what your daddy said. You gotta do what you wanna do, bro. You gotta put the world, bro. Feel me? Cause ain't nobody gonna do this but you, bro. And that's only if you really want this shit, bro. Real talk, bro. You know what I'm saying? And like, I'm still trying to chase after shit like this, bro. I'm still trying to say, go crazy and live the life that I want to live. And I always imagine, you know what I'm saying? But shit's hard as fuck out here, bro. Shit is hard. This shit's real life, bro. This shit, and it's crazy cause you go on the net and you see folks living this life like GTA. Folks got all type of cars and houses and mansions and you know, and like I said, bro, there's people out there that be younger than you, you know what I'm saying? Or they're double your age and they're out here living that life like GTA 5, bro. This shit is real life crazy, nigga. Like, look at this shit, nigga. Look at that shit, bro. You telling me like, bro, come on, this shit only motivate me, you feel me? Like, this the shit I want to one day wake up and you know what I'm saying, wake up and be like, damn, life is great, you feel me? Like, these folks, you know what I'm saying, they doing some good shit, bro. You got a crib like that, like, bro, come on. Like, you telling me you gotta be, you doing good, feel me? Saying, like I said, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit, man. Y'all know what it do, man. I'm trying to run this shit up for real. Y'all help me, I help y'all. Y'all support me, I support y'all. You know what I'm saying? I like to help my people. I like to help everybody, man. Everybody trying to run this shit up for real. I know how it feels, bro, when you ain't got no supporters and shit, bro. I know how that bitch feels, bro. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta keep pushing, believe in yourself, bro. A lot of people be quitting the second week, second day, second month, second year, bro. You gotta keep pushing. You know what I'm saying? I keep grinding. Have them dreams loud. I always tell people around me, dream so big, bro. Dream so big, people think you dreaming too big. Like, dream so big that people think you talking crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? And I can tell, bro. Like, I can tell when people really be like, yeah, they nigga tweeting yet. Like, bro, I can tell you feel that energy, you feel that urge. Like, yeah, he probably think I'm on some like bullshit type shit. But nah, bro, I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. Like, y'all gotta think like that, bro. Real shit, bro. Y'all have to think like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of people be letting y'all be letting that shit. Y'all be letting that shit affect y'all, bro. Y'all cannot let type of things like that affect y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you can't handle that little ass hate, whatever you want to call it, what makes you think you're gonna make it when you get it really, you know what I'm saying, really popping, when you're really out there pushing peace for real? Like, when you really got, you know what I'm saying, different type of incomes and shit, how you gonna control that if you can't deal with the little ass shit right now? You see what I'm saying? But you gotta be mentally strong for this shit, feel me? Mentally, spiritually, physically, all sides of the shit, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be in, you gotta be want that shit, bro. Cause you always gotta remember, guys, there's always people that are in your position, if not in the lower section than you are, bro, and they hungry for this shit. The moment you take a break, motherfucker, they out working your ass. You see what I'm saying, bro? like it's really just you versus you at the end of the day. Keep it 100 with y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? But we all gotta keep grinding, bro, and keep dreaming. You know what I'm saying? Hey, hold on, bro. You feel me? Y'all hold on now. Give it a second, you feel me? Too clean, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Kia did that thing with this motherfucker with a goddamn Kia Stinger GT. It ain't the GT2, but hey, that motherfucker, they did that thing on that motherfucker for real. You hear me? Fuck your time at. Yes, sir. Yes, the Lord. All right. God dang, can't even see shit over here, cuz. See what I'm saying? But I need to learn how to fuck with the goddamn pedal shift more and shit. Cause this shit keep going to drive and shit. And keep it stacked with you. I kind of like it when it's just in pedal shift. Cause I know in the Beamers you can just, you know what I'm saying, keep it in that bitch. This shit will automatically go to drive. I don't know. I think I gotta put custom or some shit. Fuck, I don't know. Fuck wrong with y'all ass? I don't know. I don't know, bruh. I don't know how this shit work, cuz. Real talk, real talk, real talk. You heard me? Nah, but if y'all enjoying this POV of the Kia Stinger GT, y'all make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Like I said, man, I'm coming back with bangers on bangers on bangers on bangers on videos of if you know, you know, and if you don't know, then you don't know. You see what I'm saying? That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. Either you know, if you know, if you don't, then you don't. You hear me, bro? You know what I'm saying? I just trying to, you know what I'm saying, grind and make it out for real, bro. Cause like I said, bro, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm really trying to put the whole team on and shit. You feel me? But it takes time, work. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck y'all got going on? Lord have mercy. Be trying to tell y'all, but it be crazy out here, man. It's hard. It's hard, believe it or not, this shit is hard. Like, a lot of people be trying to, like, I'm saying, like, look, bro, Kia overall, bro, I fuck with this model they made. I understand they got problems. They got engine failures, like, I understand it. You know what I'm saying? Like, but with this though system, it sounds like, I think the system in the car is good. It's the same system that's on the Beamers, Mercedes, the Hordon, I think that's how you pronounce it. But I mean, like I said, the car is fucking dope. You know what I'm saying? Like, this shit is pretty badass. It's a 4-door twin turbo V6 for the ones that don't know. This is the G2. This is a real drive. They do come with the 4-wheel drive, which is even better for better grip. But like I said, it comes with the big boy Brembo brakes. But like I said, man, like, but these shits will have problems and shit. I think on paper it says 400 horsepower to the crank, and then like 368 around there, 370 to the around there for like to the wheel horsepower type shit. So yeah, but I'm saying, like, they be still hard though. Like, interiors and it's pretty good. Like, it's not bad. Like, cause like you probably think about, I mean, Kia, but like, oh, Kia this, Kia that, but this model low key hard. Like, I fuck with it. People might hate it. Oh, it's a Kia, this and that, and with the wheel and shit. But bro, for 40 grand, I mean, yeah, for 40 grand, you can get better shit with the woo. But I'm saying though, like, I'm cool with it, motherfucking shit. I'll give me, like, I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, 40 grand, it'd be hard. If so, you get lucky with 36, but you know what I'm saying, you pay for what you get, so it's like, you know what I'm saying, but you better you better have warranty on your shit, cause you don't got warranty, cuz, whoo, and your engine go fuck up. Real. Y'all gonna fuck up for real now.